Hey guys, so today I'm going to be printing out an item for Calvin. It looks like some kind of a hood or something. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's for his final project, I believe, for college. Anyway, in this one I am going to try using Prusa Slicer for the very first time. Somebody on one of my past videos said, "Why are you still using Cura? Try Prusa Slicer, it's way better." So I'm hoping I'll get a little bit better print quality with using the Prusa Slicer on this. Anyway, I've got the model sliced. I've got it on the thumb drive. I've got it inserted. I just finished up doing a bed leveling on this. And let's see how it turns out. Estimate is about 10 hours and 47 minutes, but we will see. Catch you at the time lapse.
Alright guys, Calvin here. The print is done, and according to the screen it only took 11 hours and 10 minutes. So what I need to do is carefully pop this off the bed. There we go. Glue stick worked good. Definitely needs some cleanup work, but I'm going to be running this all the way up to San Francisco to work on it. So, you know, we'll deal with that when we deal with that. But the print is done, so I gotta hit the road.